Hi everyone, my name is Amir Khan and this is my introductory speech. So the object I picked for today is my cat Spencer. I adopted him on August 20th, 2017, and ever since then he's always been very playful and feisty. His favorite toy is a little parrot like this big, and it has feathers on it and it chirps whenever he touches it. So his nicknames include a Demon Cat, Spenceroni, Simba, and Devil. I don't really know why he's called Simba. My brother always calls him that. He doesn't even match the color of Simba. It's just that when we first got him, he stood up on my dresser and he looked like Simba on Pride Rock. But his favorite activities include biting feet, which he does all the time. You can walk around the house and he'll run up and bite your feet. Sleeping on vents, which I wanted him in the video, but right before I came downstairs to film, he was upstairs sleeping on a vent, so I didn't want to disrupt him. And playing with all his pet siblings. So 3 reasons why Spencer is important to me. The first reason is he's my first pet that I ever bought. I've always had pets throughout my life, but Spencer is the first pet that I actually bought with my own money and purchased myself. So I have a deeper love for him since I bought him. And the second reason is he reminds me of my childhood cat, Apollo. The picture on the left is Apollo, and he actually was a Bengal cat. Spencer's just a regular domestic short hair. But Apollo actually had 6 claws on his front 2 paws and his back paw, one of his back paws. So he was pretty unique with that. But him and Spencer, they have like the same personality. So I feel like Spencer is Apollo's in a past life. And the third reason is he favors me over everyone else. So when we first got him, we had to keep him locked in my room for the first week or 2. So ever since then, he just developed his connection with me and bonded with me. So he's always with me and follows me everywhere in the house. So 3 reasons why he reflects me is anyone who knows is I love animals. As you can see, I have my lizard right there and my rabbit, which is making a bunch of noise right there hopping around. So yeah, I love animals. The second reason is I'm going to school to be a vet. Right now I'm studying biology and I really want to be a vet. Ever since I was younger, I've had a passion for animals and helping them. So veterinarian is the way for me, I think. And having him shows what I favor in life, because there's been many times where I have gone to the store and bought him toys and didn't fill up my car with gas and had to get my mom and dad to do it because I spent all my money on toys for the cat and all the other pets, but mainly him. So Spencer is one of the biggest things in my life that mean the most to me. So that's why I thought I would share him and with you all. So I hope you all enjoyed my presentation about my cat Spencer. And yeah, thank you for watching.